Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to edit Facebook permissions to access your calendar. So if you're using the Facebook app on your iOS or Android device, this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process for you. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So what I have to do is open up the Facebook app and select your profile icon at the top right. And you want to go down and select Settings and Privacy. Underneath Menu, select Settings, and then scroll down underneath your activity, and you want to select where it says Device Permissions. So if you want to give Facebook access to your device's calendar, you can select the See Info button, and then you would select the Allowed option where Facebook can access your calendar. So you go ahead and select that option in here, and then once you're done, you would select Update Settings, and then you would be good to go. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.